Just a few months ago, we weren't even sure this journey would happen.
Let's start this the right way. Madrid, this is just the beginning. Make this time truly unforgettable. Team Madrid, you ready for this? Are you ready? Vamos a volvernos locos esta noche.
Right along to the next song, then Vamos, let's go.
With the uncertainty in the Middle East, we kept asking ourselves the same question. Would we actually make it to Madrid? Looking back now, I never imagined this trip would become one of the happiest memories of my life. June 25, 2026, the day we'd been waiting for, had finally arrived. After months of planning, countless of conversations, and weeks of uncertainty, we were finally at Hamad International Airport, ready to begin our journey to Madrid. It still didn't feel real. Just a few months earlier, we weren't even sure we'd be making this trip. But now, with our bags checked in and boarding passes in the hand, there are only one thing left to do: board the plane. Standing inside the airport, I couldn't help but smile. Everything we'd been hoping for had finally led to this moment. The excitement was there. In just few hours, we'd be on our way to Madrid. The journey was finally beginning, but would this trip be everything we'd dream of?
1, 2, 3. Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I found where I feel alive, and the stars will guide me.
Guys, time check, 5 o'clock na. So, ang ating boarding is 6:40. Mag-quick lounge dito lang sa may Platinum Gold Lounge North. Dito guys, tara, let's go!
This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. A free-born mind. A free-born mind. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be echoes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane,
just like that, it was time to board. After all the planning and waiting, the journey has no longer just a dream. It was finally happening. Hello, Army Cravers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Raven.
I'm Paul.
From Nurse Graves Travel. Join us on this journey going to BTS concert Madrid. So ayun guys, let's go! Hello Cravers, good morning. Today is the final day na pinakaintay po natin sa dami ng ating napagdaanan previous months from the day na nakabook tayo ng BTS concert tickets last January 2026, and then sa mga nangyari dito sa aming second home here in Doha, in the Middle East. And aware naman kayo kung ano yung nangyaring yon. And finally, nakalabas na po tayo. And palabas na po tayo. Nasa airplane na tayo. Open na ang airspace. Guys, ang dami nating uncertainty na nangyari on the previous months na akala namin hindi na kami matutuloy, makalipad, and makapunta sa ating dream concert ng BTS sa Madrid. Madami akong nababasa sa internet, sa social media na ang tagal daw ng pagpasok ng Madrid. Gawa siguro din ng, sabi nila mga 2 to 3 hours daw ang waiting sa may passport control nila doon. So, we'll see how it goes sa ating pagpasok. Honestly, hindi pa rin nagsising in sa akin, sa amin. Ang aming pupuntahan ngayon ay ang BTS concert na nga. And tomorrow na nga po yun guys. So, kailangan namin, alam nyo na, pag-aralan kung anong meron sa city. So for today, samahan niyo po kami sa paglapag namin pagpasok ng Madrid. And also kung ano yung mga experience namin na ma-share sa inyo sa ating BTS concert. And yeah, finally, we're here na. This is our first labas ng country after these happenings for the past few months. Samahan nyo kami and explore natin ang Madrid. And also, enjoy natin ang 2-day concert ng BTS. Guys, as an army, napakatagal naming inantay to. Nung time na pumasok sila ng military, guys, sabi ko sa sarili ko, pagbalik nila, pupunta tayo ng concert nila. And ayun na nga, bigla-biglaan na lang sila naglabas ng concert. Eh, yung leave namin kailangan mabilisan. Buti na lang, napasingit ko pa tong slot na to sa aming vacation leave. Pero yun nga, yung dumating na yung happenings, yung todong happenings dito sa Middle East. Di namin alam kung matutuloy kami makakapunta ng concert, makakalabas na ba kami agad ng country. This is our first time na makalabas ng bansa after nga ng happenings na yun. Hindi ko na siya sasabihin kasi alam nyo naman kung ano nangyari sa mundo. Sasama ko kayo sa journey na to, our journey to BTS concert. Day 1 and Day 2 po ang ating pupuntahan. It wasn't just the start of another trip. It was the beginning of adventure we've been looking forward to for months. With several hours left before landing, my mind kept wandering. I imagined what Madrid would be like, what it would feel like to meet fellow armies. Of course, the moment we'd finally experience BTS Arirang. Looking back now, I had no idea that some of the most unforgettable memories of this trip wouldn't just on stage. They would come from the people we met and the journey itself.
Dahil hindi ako makatulog. Sobrang happy at natuloy ito, event na to. Sobrang dami nangyari the past few months. Ito, yung feeling na natutupad yung mga one of our dream na nabuo yun simula nung naging fan tayo ng BTS guys. So ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon. So ayun guys, yun nga, January, nung nag-book tayo na lalagay ng lottery sa Prezi. Nakapag-secure naman tayo ng tickets sa ating Day 1 and Day 2 since nag-trip tayo nakapag-secure and na-pick ng Prezi doon tayo manonood. Sobrang ang dami nating sacrifices. So meron time din natin na feeling ko, sabi ko, itutuloy ko pa ba? Kasi sa nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, hindi ko alam. Like, yung nangyari nga sa gitnang silangan guys, airspace na close, yung mga ibang colleagues ko, may mga plans sila, ayun, canceled and everything. Yung ibang nakabakasyon, nahirapan makabalik. So, it's a lot, ang dami. Pero thank God, after few months, kahit merong mga malakas na tunog dyan, nag-iingayan na sa labas, ang dami ng alert sa phone, nasa work na rin tayo, no? It's a lot of sacrifices ang pagiging OFW guys. So this is part of realization siguro na let's pursue pursue our dreams talaga. Naintindihan naman ng family namin na hindi kami makauwi and deserve din namin na experience tong concert na to, vacation na to. And then, ayun guys, as an army, sobrang tagal na nating inantay dito, opportunity na to. Dahil ng mga panahon pandemic, doon ko mas appreciate ang BTS guys. Nung time ng FIFA, nung pumunta si Jungkook sa Doha, mas na-fire yung magiging fanboy ko sa BTS. Ngunit subalit na top 1, I am praying na sana patuloy yung Middle East concert nila. First na lipat natin outside the country is helpful sa mental health natin. Pero timing din na tayo BTS concert and alam natin na it will help us sa ating mga nararamdaman kasi sobrang saya ng puso mo nakapag-book ng concert. A long way talaga. Ilang years na natin inantay to. And ayan na siya. Tapos nagkaroon ng mga ganitong ganap. Yung feeling na hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari. Thank God. Nangyari na okay ang lahat. Sana magpatuloy na maging okay and safe tayong lahat. Mixed emotion ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Hindi pa rin nagsisink in. Pero bukas na yung concert. Imimit natin today si at sa ate Clarice. New friend natin. Co-army natin from Dubai. Anong feeling nyo yung pag sobrang binababa nila yung chair sa harap? Yung ganito sa harap niyo, di ba? Comment down below guys kung paano nyo siya gagawa ng paraan or ipaglalaman. So ayun guys, kanina kasi yung sa harapan, nagbigay ng food. Siguro naman pwede nang itaas, di ba? For me lang yun guys ha. Kayo na nakaranas na ng ganong eksena, paano nyo siya dinil? Paano nyo siya na-deal? Comment down below guys kung paano nyo siya na armies, mga cravers, pag-enjoy tayong lahat kasama namin kayo dito sa journey na to.
After hours in the air, we were finally approaching Madrid.
Welcome to Madrid, guys! Nakarating din. So, ayun na, passport control na tayo. We'll see kung ganun ba talaga katagal ang ating pagpasok sa Madrid. So, ayun guys, maliit lang yung airport nila. So, ayun guys, mukhang true ang chismis. Ang haba ng pila. So ayun guys, tapos na tayo sa immigration. Puro ano na lang, scan lang guys. Mahaba lang yung pila talaga. Yan ang nakatagal. So ayun guys, makita tayo ng train. So far okay naman. Like 5 minutes approximately yung train from doon. Depende kasi yun sa terminal ninyong bababaan sa airplane. Sa passport control guys, 2 station yung pupuntahan ninyo. Parang sa Japan, kung nakapunta na kayo ng Japan, may kiosk na i-scan yung passport, yung visa, and then after that, doon ka na sa may immigration. I think yung unang kiosk is for the police. And then the next kiosk is yung parang sa Pinas din. Yung scan mo yung passport, then go ka na and picture, ganun. So far, 47 minutes. Tapos namin yun. Kasama na yung pila. So, depende talaga sa dami ng tao. Madami pa din yung tao. Pero yung mga family, medyo iba yung daanan. Tsaka senior. Iba yung pilahan. So, ayun guys. So far, so good pa naman. So, kukunin na natin yung mga baggage natin. Medyo daman ko na yung init dito guys. Airport pa lang mainit. Good luck sa atin bukas. Salida, way out. So, kuha na lang muna tayo ng baggage natin guys. Sabi nila malapit lang yung city mismo dito. Google Maps na lang tayo. And baka mag-train na lang tayo din para mas makamura tayo. Public transport. So, ayan na yung army natin kasama galing Dubai. Ayan na po yung kasama namin. Hello sa vlog.
Hello po. Ay, sad ko
Si
sa vlog.
Paul.
Hello.
Ano
Init
na?
eh.
Dito pa lang mainit na be.
Kaya,
So ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng ating accommodation, Nido Princess Pio Hotel. Dun sa may train station, tawid lang. Isang tawid lang, nasa train station ka na, terminal station ng Princess Pio. So andito na tayo guys, so sobrang lapit lang siya sa station. So meron tayong first door natin dito, pagpasok, andyan na yung CR. May toilet naman, may, yun nga lang, walang bidet guys sa kanilang toilet. Meron ding shower,
kompleto naman yung mga shower gel and everything andun na. Water, may dalawang naman binigay. So meron din kape and nagtanong din ako kung pwedeng humiram ng kettle. Ang sabi naman pwede daw. Tsaka iron plancha. Wala akong makitang plancha dito. Pero sabi sa akin, pwede naman sila mag-provide, sabi nila. So may aircon naman tayo, may microwave, may refrigerator din guys. And then ang ating queen size bed. I think this is queen size bed. Okay naman yung ambience niya guys, malinis. And white siya, so malinaw sa mata. So ayun guys, kung titira kayo dito, maganda siya. Parang dito kasi guys, parang kusina na siya. Yun lang guys, kung gusto nyo lang naman na dito Nido Princesipio, you can book it through Agoda. You can use my discount code para meron kayong discount sa inyong mabubook na hotel. Ang ating discount code ay Craves Agoda. Capital letters po yon, Craves Agoda, para makakuha po kayo ng discount para dagdag sa savings nyo. Bilhin nyo na lang yan ng mga pasalubong ninyo guys. And also, kung gusto nyo din po ng mga activities, kung gusto nyo pumunta ng mga museum, ganyan-ganyan, tapos kung gusto nyo mag-day tour, you can use also my discount code guys. Meron ulit tayong discount code sa Agoda. So, ang ating discount code ay Craves Active. Lalagay ko yan sa screen guys para mabook po ninyo, ma-add nyo po sa inyong deals. And extra savings nyo na rin po yun guys. And later on guys, samahan nyo kami. After namin mag-rest, samahan nyo kami. Magdi-dinner kami outside. And tignan natin kung ano yung makakain natin. So yun guys, pupunta na tayo ng Grand Via. So sakay lang kami ng train guys, then update ko kayo sa may Grand Via area.
I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Hola, amigos, amigas. Welcome sa Grand Via, Madrid. So, ito guys, ang daming mga ganapan dito.
American.
And currently, ang oras na ngayon is 9 o'clock, pero maliwanag pa din. So, ano na guys?
Our first day in Madrid comes to an end. I can't help but feel grateful. From finally making it here after months of planning and uncertainty, to walking through the beautiful streets of Gran Via and ending the night with authentic Spanish food, today reminded me that every unforgettable journey begins with small moments like this. Tomorrow is the day we've been counting down for so long. The first day of the BTS Arirang concert. It's hard to believe that after everything we've been through, we're finally just one sleep away from experiencing it. I honestly don't know what tomorrow will bring, but if today is any indication, I know it's going to be something I'll never forget. Thank you so much for joining us on the first chapter of this journey. If you enjoyed traveling with us from Doha to Madrid, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode. This is Nurse Craves Travel, and I'll see you tomorrow as our BTS Arirang Craventures truly begins.